Welcome to ICO reviews. And this time I'm reviewing Eterbase Ico, Europe Premier Digital Asset Exchange. And as you can see, this is an exchange ICO. But before I continue, let me let you know whatever I say in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, make your own decision. Now let's get to business. Now this is how the exchange is going to look like. Beautiful, not so? Yeah, it's beautiful. You can see, like, wow, awesome. And they already want to have a shot of the price, currently the price of BTC, like Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash. How it's going to look like. Yeah. And there's also going to be an Eterbase debit card, and that is awesome. That is awesome. You know, it's really beautiful. The dashboard is really professional. So this claim is going to be secure. It's going to be fast. There's going to be portfolio management. It's going to be user friendly, and that is important, especially for newbies joining cryptocurrency who don't really know much. Now they have partnered with One Chain Capital, Identity Mind Global, Ambisave, Nagel, Zcoin, Majestic, True USD, Everise, and 4G. Now you can even download an ebook. Wow, I've never seen an IC when I've done this. Click here to get a free copy of our crypto trading guide. That is awesome. Now there's a lot of blog here introducing Eterbase, why a centralized exchange. Eterbase is proud to announce our smart drop and all the rest you can find there. Yeah. And of course you can follow them on Facebook, on LinkedIn, Telegram. You can find them on all these social media. Now let's check the team member on the about page. Here we are. Robert House, Kenneth Como, co-founder, Josebel Martin Snootney. You can see team members here too. Quite a large community here. I can see. Let's see. Let's go back and check some other social icons. We'll go back to that. Let's check the white paper. So on the white paper here, you can see that the token name is Eterbase. The code is SBase. 1 billion token, ERC20 based token. So it's ERC, and I encourage you, as I've always, to check through the white paper. Read the white paper. It's important. It's important. Now, let me open some of the social icons they have, and let's see also. $17,058 members. That is good, and I'm bullish about this. I know more members will be joining the community. There will be more members in the community. Let's check the Twitter. It's loading. 7,018 followers. Fine. Good. So let's check ICO Pay 4.5. 4.5. Now 0.015 dollars is the price, and they accept Ethereum and fiat. Minimum contribution is 0.1. That's around $20 or $25. So-called is 9,000 Ethereum, market cap 15,000 Ethereum. They are based in Liechtenstein, a small country close to Germany and Austria, there's Switzerland. So KYC and you need to be whitelisted. You are from US and China, sorry you can't get involved with this ICO. And now I have a presentation on YouTube that shows that this should be real. This is real. You can see them here. The London blockchain.
Robert Oaks. I'm here to present our project called Eterbase. We started roughly 6 months ago. We are currently based in Liechtenstein, and what we are trying to build is Europe's premier digital asset exchange. So let's say, in today's world, if you are trying to, trade any digital assets, you usually come across several problems. I mean, one of them is, poor security. Sometimes, it's a suspension of the service. Also, in recent times, what is coming as a major problem is poor compliance in a jurisdiction where you are conducting your business. Essentially, our idea is to create an exchange that...
So you can watch more of the video if you want to. This is to let you know that this is real. This is real. So I'm bullish about this. Let's check what Alexa Ram can have to say, ladies and gentlemen. More videos from India, from Egypt, from Indonesia, from Russia, from Ukraine. So, what is my thoughts? I love this ICO. I'm going in for it. And exchange ICO is I love them because now the token is going to be valued because there's an exchange. People will have to pay the token to get their coin or their token listed on the exchange. When people trade, they use the token to pay for exchange fee. So the token is active. It's not going to be a pump and dump coin or a useless coin, like shit coin. This is going to be an active coin. I love exchange token. So that's my review about Eterbase. Don't forget, anything I say is not a professional advice. Make your own decision. I'm dropping the link down below for you to get S-based tokens. Sign up for the ICO. And please, before you go, subscribe, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.